I'm at peak.
If your enemy refuses to come out from behind cover, try your hand at the plasma bomb launcher. This doohickey lobs grenades armed with unstable plasma.
For an added kick, try firing multiple plasma bombs at the same target.
Booyah!
Is that all you got? More! Get to cover!
I think it's safe to say this group has found our protectors.
Really use some nanotech about now.
This is hard to watch. I haven't seen President Quark take a beating like this since he challenged that 7-year-old to a spelling bee.
I don't feel so good.
Younger viewers may want to read the room for this. Ratchet appears to be in a bit of trouble.
What does it mean when my blaster starts clicking?
Found ammo!
Free ammo. Let's roll.
Ready!
This group's taken a beating, but it's not ready to quit just yet. Let's hope it doesn't find another power source before our heroes can get their final licks in.
What's that, Harvey? Our station manager, Harvey, has just pointed out that a new luminoid generator has been installed on that building.
Well, that certainly complicates things.
For something truly awesome. Suffer the wrath of my crouching kitten style. I think I'm in a bit of trouble here.
We got ammo here!
This is it, folks. The culmination of a citywide pursuit between the heroes of Polaris and a light-eating Zagroot. Can they survive a battle to the death with one of the galaxy's most dangerous predators?
According to our office pool, the answer is no. They cannot.
Over here, cadets!
And the Zagroot is down for the count. Absolutely incredible. We'll be right back after this word from our sponsor.
Not so fast, Nefarious. You've done some underhanded things in your time, but this beats all. I'm starting to think there may not even be an Intergalactic Tool of Justice award.
Ladies and gentlemen, your president.
That's not one of mine.
Disengaging primary cryo feed.
Clank, get the light, would you? Oh boy. Clank! Where are we?
I do
not know. Have you located Quark?
Little help here? Someone? I think my thing is broken.
Oh, perfect. Can this get any worse?
Oh, Lance, kiss me, love me, hold me like you used to before you became a flesh-eating zombie.
Quark, would you...
You twit! You dare lay your squishy hands on me? If I get down from here, I'll rip you in half! Excuse me! What you doing up there?
Hey! Hey, little girl. Can you get us out of here?